to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Excel 365 Expert. My name is Kathy Jones. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've been consulting on and teaching Excel for over 25 years. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use some of its features. This course is intended for advanced Excel 365 users who want to learn expert-level features. We'll start with discussing sharing options, including collaborating and co-authoring, digital signatures, and get and transform data. Next, we'll look at map charts and 3D maps, as well as other advanced charts. Then we'll dig into pivot tables and discuss changing options, summarizing data, creating pivot charts, adding slicers, and using data models. From there, we'll look at functions. We'll start with named ranges and internal and external links. Then we'll use index, match, date functions, and information functions. We'll also use LAMBDA and LET and financial functions, as well as looking at the evaluate formulas and the watch features. Then we'll look at what-if analysis, including forecasting, scenarios, solver, and the data analysis tool pack. Next, we'll record macros, run and edit macros, and use multiple methods to create a form. In our last section, we'll look at ways to customize Excel, including customizing the ribbon, setting options, creating custom lists, using linked data types, and working with add-ins. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be comfortable with many of the expert features of Excel 365 and use them to enhance your communication and data analysis. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the activities right along with us.